Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, we've got another OLITANS knife to check out. We saw the King Penguin recently. Well, now we have the Lemon Shark. Several different versions of the Lemon Shark available. They just happen to be nice and send me out the blue Micarta version, which is a really, it's sort of that denim blue color. Now, your Micarta is going to have some decent grip on it for sure. I mean, you can tell you've got the texturing going on there. So it does provide you with a pretty decent grip. Now we're going to feel around and everything, overall fit and finish seems really, really good. Centering is spot on. You do have this loop over clip that is reversible. Now it's not quite, deep carry. You're going to have a little bit sticking out. We'll see when we get it to the pocket over here. But again, fit and finish, pretty darn good. The King Penguin, for me, was a good introduction to the OLITANS brand. That was the first one I checked out. Now, fairly open. You do have a backspacer there with a lanyard pin, so lanyard fans rejoice. Hopefully, we're making everybody happy on this one. Our lefty friends, our lanyard friends, I think we are. So, methods of deployment. Well, you've got dual thumb studs, as you can see, and it is also a front flipper. It is going to be a thumb stud knife for me, for sure. Kicks out on those thumb studs pretty nicely. Now it does flip very easily with that front flipper. It's just me, I like thumb studs. So it's just definitely going to be a thumb stud knife. Now for me, there again, oh, there, I almost got it. It's really tight. Anyway, it's really, really tight back there. So yes, got it. You've really got to kind of wedge your finger in behind. At least I do. But there you go. I can reverse flick it. So all the reverse flick masters shouldn't have any issues with it. So we got a nice drop point blade. It is titanium coated. Drop point blade, 10 CR, 15 MOV. Lots of numbers and letters in that one. Is that it right there? Yep, 10 CR, 15 MOV. Thumb studs are in the cutting path a bit. As you can see, your cutting path, sharpening path, they're back a little ways. I mean, you're not going to be able, with the way, they might be able to get set back a little further, but not much with the cutouts that are available. They're just not going to go that much further back. They will on the front side, back side, not so much. So that's pretty much where we're at. So, but it does look like you can wrench both sides and take them off if you prefer when you sharpen your knife. I would prefer not to have to take them off, but hey, it is what it is. But this sort of gold, what do you think about the gold or that's not really gold. It's more of a kind of a bronzish brown, tarnished brass, tarnished bronze color to it. I mean, it's an interesting combination for sure. Got the OLITANS there on the pocket clip, but all right. Let's get our spec check going here. So, about 7.5 inch knife, 4 1/4-ish. Should be about 3 1/4 on the blade, which it is. Pretty much a full cutting edge. There's not a big choil there to take away our cutting edge. Grip length, you're going to come in at right about 3.5 inches, which is pretty much perfect for me. I've got a little bit left over. Let me remeasure that, because 3.5 is usually, that's what it's coming in. Well, 3.5. So I do have just a tiny bit left over. So, but feels, as far as grip goes, it feels pretty good in hand. We're going to talk about the clip here in a second. We'll get that weight going. And, okay, grams will start. 103, 3.6. And the pocket. How does it look in the pocket? Like I said, It does bottom out on that clip, that loop over clip. You will have a little bit of peekaboo going on. Quarter-ish of an inch. Not too bad, but you still can see it coming out of the pocket. It went in pretty easily. Coming out, not a huge pop. I mean, yeah, it could be a little bit tighter. It's not bad. Not bad at all. So, and we're going to double check in there. There's some weight reduction going on. So, I mean, our weight's not bad as is, but there's definitely some weight reduction going on. So, we're going to talk about that clip. I can definitely feel that clip a little bit more than I would like. Am I mad at it? No, I'm not mad at it. I'm not overly happy with it either. I can feel it, you know, it does kind of stand up and come down. It's just, and it's placed right in the middle too. It's not an odd placement. I'm for the life of me really trying to figure out why. You know, because, I mean, this is not like it's a crazy handle shape. It's pretty close to what I would consider a standard handle shape. You know, it's pretty much straightforward. But that clip is just getting me. If I bear down on it, then it does kind of become a little annoying. So, yeah, I'm having a hard time with that clip, honestly. I don't know what it is. It's just hitting me a little wrong. So, in my hand. So, if you're hand size, you know, Marge hands, yeah. I mean, if you can adjust your grip so it doesn't, for sure. But if you really have to bear down on something, you're definitely going to feel it, in my opinion. So, this guy coming in $45. Price for materials and what you get is not bad. It's not bad at all. Action, pretty on point. Snaps out there very nicely on those thumb studs. Like I said, it does flip pretty easy with that front flipper, but you know, we have the option of the thumb studs. So it's going to be, it won't even be really a reverse flick knife for me, even though I can, because I really have to concentrate about digging my finger in there. Just good old thumb studs. Yep. Pretty happy with that overall. So, fit and finish, very good. No issues there. Action, no issues there. Ergos, and that's pretty much the big one for me. Everything but the clip. That darn clip. I don't know. It's catching me just a little wrong in my hand. And I don't know. It's really weird, too, because it's not outlandish. I guess it's because it stands so high up here. Maybe if it was a little bit further up and it was, you know, a deep carry clip, you know, it might be different. It might be different. But, you know, call it like I see it. So, you know, overall, well, that's why we like to get knives in our hands before we buy them. Because you never know. Like I said, especially with one like this, a very, you know, not out of the ordinary handle, not out of an ordinary clip, but it's just kind of sitting wrong in my hand. So, you know, everything else about the knife, no issues whatsoever. The clip just has me a little hesitant, you know. Can you take the clip off? Sure. Do I want to take the clip off? No, it's got a pocket clip. I want to use it. So, there you go. But as always, guys, a huge shout out to OLITANS for sending this one out. I do greatly, greatly appreciate it. And, of course, I always appreciate every single one of you stopping by and checking it out with me. As always, have a fantastic rest of your day, guys. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.